Have Fort Myers outside the window. We come on back and let's check out the room at night. We have a love seat right there. Another chair as well. And we have this cool little shelf or I don't even know, wardrobe. And we come in and then we have the coffee station and the drink station all right here. Ice bucket in there too. And then down here, we have the safe. I really like the color on this one. It's like this blue teal type stuff, if you can see that. Then we keep on turning. And then we have the bed. We have some art right there on the wall, some funky lights. Looks like one of them is out. The rest of the lights do turn on. There was just another switch for it. And then we have this big bed with the headboard curving around and looks like there is power in the bed as well. We keep on turning. This is our TV spot, pretty cool with those metal pipes. Got a desk, and is there a mini fridge down here? There is a mini fridge. Very nice. Leather chair that matches the leather headboard. And we have two bedside tables. We have a little seat right here, a great amount of space here. We come and we have this closet with some branding on it. Closet. And we have a robe. There we go. We have the front door right there. Let's see if there's a maximum room rate on here. I do not see a maximum room rate. This is room 720. And then finally, we have the bathroom. We have a little toilet nook right here. A little bit of artwork. Hair dryer down below. You got the mirror there. Some more branded products. Then we have this nice walk-in shower where you have to step up. We have the shower control on this side. And then we have the head right over there. Nice tiling, circular tile. More of those products right there. Very nice bathroom. But yeah, this is the room, folks.